Hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add background music to any of your video using YouTube Beta Studio feature. So for that, first of all, you need to go to the settings. So click on left icon at the top, go to settings. From there, you just click on view additional features. A new box will be open. Click on try Studio Beta. A new window will be opened. Here you need to click on the second option, that is videos. All of your videos will be visible to you now. You need to click on the video which you want to edit. Suppose I want to edit my last video. I will click on it. Click on 8:1 mux experiment here. So now click on editor, that is the third option. Now editor will be opened. Here you can add audio. Click on expand. Click on audio. You will be taken to the YouTube audio library. From there you can add the audio to your current video. So you can search the track here and add any of the track. Suppose if I want to add first track, Move Out, click on that and it will be added to it. You need to click on save changes in order to add these changes to your video. After clicking on save changes, your video will be modified. Thanks for watching.